Christina, I've been down, tell me how you seen her.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new wig for you. It's from Hermosa Hair. I have never collaborated with Hermosa Hair before, so I was really excited when they messaged me and they did not disappoint. Like, I don't even have much to say. I'm just gonna hush and look at my lace. And this is not even an HD lace. It blended super pretty, and I did end up throwing some curls in it because I didn't feel like wetting the hair, so I just wanted to get the curls quick and easy and big. So today I'm going to show you how I did that, and I did do an inside cornrow because I feel like it's giving it a nice look with this fluffy hair. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below. I will have all the specs to this wig in my description box, so make sure you guys check it out. And let's get right into this video. First thing I like to do is use my Ebin skin protectant. This is going to prevent my wig from lifting up, and this really helps my install to last so long. And once that is completely dried, I put the wig on my head and I cut off my ear tabs. These are just standard things that I always do, so just make sure you do this. It'll make your install go by way faster. And then I'm gonna apply my Ebin lace spray. This is the one in the black bottle. It's like 20 times hold, so I love using this. And I'm gonna apply 4 layers of this spray, making sure that it's tacky in between. And once it's tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lace down. If your lace is already cut, you're gonna do it the same exact way, and just use a little bit of water to clean like your skin area if you apply too much. But I'm using my comb to put some pressure on the lace. And then I'm going in with this spritz and I'm spraying it on top of the lace, and then I'm going to blow dry it until it's dry. I did tie the hair down for about 10 minutes, but I did not even show you guys that. And then I'm going to cut the lace off. I will link everything I'm using in my description box if you guys want to get them. I'm using just an eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. And then I am going to use my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14 to blend the lace so it'll match my skin. Going back in with that spritz again, using my finger, I'm going to melt the edges of the lace so it's going to blend into my skin. I just spray it, I just blow it a little bit on cool air, and I tie it down. And I did my makeup, so it took about 30 minutes, tied down. And then I am just sectioning off the baby hair area. You can do as little or as much as you want, but today I was just filling this amount. So once I section it off, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair out of the way and then pluck the baby hair because I don't like it being too thick. I feel like it looks so fake when it's thick. So I'm just plucking it down to my liking, and then I'm going to use a razor comb to razor down these baby hairs. And I'm using my pencil flat iron to curl it upwards. And I am going to do this on both sides, so just repeat this step on the other side so you'll finish faster. And then once I'm done, I would prefer using Got2b, but I'm using the spritz to mold the edges down. And this is really trial and error. Sometimes I like it this big, sometimes I don't. It just depends. But you can also see me using my other hand and using my finger to lay that down. And then I'm going to just do the other side, and I'm pushing my hand on it. I just want it to be stuck in place. And then once that's finished, I'm going to part the hair down the middle, and I'm going to do 2 inside cornrows. I really don't know how to explain this, so I fast forward the video, but you can just search up inside cornrows on YouTube to see how to do it. I don't know. I was just trying something. And then once that's done, I wanted to make the curls pop, but I did not want to wait for it to dry. So I'm using this pencil curling iron, and I'm going to just curl random pieces of the hair just to give it some nice, bouncy, juicy curls.
can be changed or have other secrets, a world in which the past would have little.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how it turned out. If you're interested in getting this wig, I will link it down below so you guys can get it. And yeah, I absolutely love how this hair turned out. I love how the lace turned out, and the baby hairs look so good on this wig. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will link it down below. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.